how to recover deleted photos from any Android. So if you want to recover deleted photos from any Android, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Play Store. After opening, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Disk Digger. After searching, you need to install this application. Once you install, you need to tap on open. And once you tap on open, now you need to go with the first option, which is search for lost photos, or you can search for lost videos, or you can also search for other files. So I'll go with lost photos. Now you need to go and allow the access. Tap on allow access and tap on allow access to manage all files. Now go back and tap on allow, and it will have all of the deleted photos right here. You can tap on OK when the scan is completed, and here you will have all of the photos that you've deleted. So you just need to simply go with recover, which is on the bottom, and first you need to select the files that you would like to recover. So I'll just simply go and select some files, and you need to tap on recover and choose a saved destination. Go and select a destination from where you would like to save, and then it will be saved. In this way, you'll be able to recover deleted photos from any Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.